you're going to turn the key forward, go to where it shows your oil life percentage, or if you're past due, the number of miles past due, and hold the trip button. Then all of it should start flashing. When that happens, hold the trip button again. And it'll reset. So, another quick so the oil life shows 100% on this one now. We just reset. But again, you'll just go to where it shows your oil life percentage, hold the trip button, I believe it's for about 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and then the whole thing will start flashing. And then while it's all flashing, you can just hold it again. I believe it's about another 5 seconds, and then it'll reset.